Oh, now because the arrest Ogechi make you the Allah okay, chai. When you hear that song, they say, Tabu Bochiongo, Ubochini na boy kwa kwa. Tabu Bochiongo, Ubochini na boy ba kwa. You know, when I prophesied last year that a lady who's gonna be spending her whole life here in Nigeria till the month of Easter. Some call me bitches, some call me little fool, some call me this, some call me that, man. But I look like a prophet to you. Yeah, I look like a prophet to you. When I prophesied last year that this bitches are gonna spend here till Easter. Some told me, hey, why say this down, man? I said, come, relax, chill. Relax yourself. When I prophesy to you, everything gonna become to fulfillment, man. Relax yourself. And I prophesy to you, everything is correct, man. And today what is happening? My prophecy come to pass. That the same bitches spend their whole life here in Nigeria. Come on. And the same bitches talk about some nigga. The same bitches talk about some nigga. That this nigga should do this and do that. You know, climb, trying to paint that nigga black, white, green, whatever color. But today what is happening? The same cup you used to measure for Akwa Kokotiwaraki, it's the same cup they're gonna use to measure for you. And your own gonna be times 10. You pray for a nigga, you put allegation for a nigga that this and that, everybody to hold this man, you know, responsible. Today what is happening? Everything you said about Akwa is coming back to you. Everything you said about Akwa is coming back to you, man. Yeah. Everything you say about Akwa is coming back for you. So yeah, come on, man. Yeah. Everything you say about Akwa, everything you said about that nigga Akwa is coming back to you. It's coming back to you 10 times, 20 times, tenfold, man. What? Shameless, you know, go born. Or are you important? Fuck that, your motherfucking mouth, man. Let me block that shit. Fool. Oh, I don't give a damn to all this castrated ego, man. You talk rubbish on my page, I burn all your motherfucking mama. No be China you go. Yeah. Abroad is abroad. Abroad, me tell you, abroad is abroad. 2 days in abroad is not 2 days. It's not a day play. Come on. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. 2 days in abroad is something. It's something. We don't call it something. You know, in Nigeria, in Africa, when you want to say something, that is not something. You say something. You know, you say something, not something. You know, something you don't need to pronounce that T. That T. You don't need to pronounce that T straight away. No. I'ma teach you the game. You don't need to pronounce that T straight away. Not something. No, that is African lifestyle. When you want to say something, that is not something. Say something. Something. Okay? Shaga Lingo Prague, okay? What up, man? It's not something. Something. Yo, when I say you something, look, blame something. Hey, Fafu. Waggle the wanna blame, then they're looking for something. That wanna release that free by something. Oh, Arabia. Hey, Someone say I'm a rapper. Yeah, I'm a rapper. While I was in the secondary school, JS1, JS2, 3. I'm a rapper. That's why I dropped that name called JPac. No, before my name is not JPac. I call me Tupac Shakur, because all the Tupac songs I rap everything. But today, I forgot everything. Okay, so oh fuck that shit. Fuck nigga. Yeah. Aquama, Akwibu. Oh yeah, come to the. Oh my God, man. Why this is not coming up? Why it's not coming up? Aquama, what is up? What is the problem? Come on, I want you to go back, go back again. Come back again, okay? Akoma, request back again, okay? I really want to enjoy your flow. This man nigga from another mother, yeah. Basically in Europe, yeah. Me, I'm in California, yeah, based in the United States of America, you know. You know, you know how I go and do the thing. Just by your fool. Oh, how do you know my English name? My English is my fool for a living, man. Yeah, without foolishness, I will not be eating. I will not be doing my stuff. I will not be doing my stuff, my shit. I will not be paying my son's school fees. Foolishness is a bait. Yo, I'm a fool. Yeah, I'm a fool. I fool for a living. Come on. I fool for a living. You call me a fool, you're not doing me a mistake. I fool for a living. You calling me a fool, you're doing me a very good thing, man, okay? So, fool that motherfucker. Hey. I don't know all these people sending me requests from California. No. I really want to see my good friend, my nigga, my brother from another mother, Aquama TV. What up? I don't understand you. I wish I can laugh with the vice president. Kasongo, yeah, mombalenanga. Hey, Kasongo, yeah, mombana wewo. Songa libala. Oh, yeah. Songa libala. Oh, yeah. If your boyfriend they knock you, still they shit on you, Kasongo. I go marry you, I'm not a fair. Hey, Ogechi Okeke because you took it over. Fine boy, you know money. Hey, hey. I got I'm a big everywhere. Need a job, but do you work and support? I give it one. Elan gave to the Elan gave to the girl who marry them. I'm not going to be good, you know, so you just want them. In a clan was a good guy. Every people is Yana. Upon say be married man. In a clan, hey. Oh my God. I wanna tell you the reason why the mic is not on. DJ, turn this mic on. I wanna hear the voice of JPac, the great son. DJ, turn this mic on. I'm a prince, and me I sing song. Anytime I go, people cry, say like fire one bun. But as time goes on, people start rushing my city like saying a tom. Hey, they call me my phone. They call me every time they call me on my phone. They call JPac, the boy where they sing song. And JPac, the boy where they sing, turn it on. Let this party move on. Hey. Oh, get it. Here can I be good? Today. Same. Somebody, today is a birthday. So today is my birthday. Show me love. Oh, so long life and prosperity. We don't call it, you know, in Africa, they call it prosperity. No. Come on. Swallow that tea. Long life and prosperity. Long life and prosperity. You know, not long and prosperity. You know what I'm saying? Not prosperity. Prosperity. You gonna swallow that tea. Long life and prosperity. Okay? Yeah. Hugo King Obanye Konya. Come on. Yeah, sure. I see you. You know, your client is in my hand, man. I hold your client down. You know, half a woman, bring her down, hold her ego. You know, break her ego. put her ego in a cage. Tonight, she's gonna be spending another second night in a cage, in a rented apartment. You know, she rented an apartment for herself. And tonight, she's gonna be spending another night again, making it 2 nights, man. Come on, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, man. Who go? Who go there? Who goes you? Who are you? Where you come from? Who are you? Oh yeah, today is my happiest day. You know, when I was mocked, I was criticized, I was bullied, I was this, I was that, and I don't give a fuck to any shit. I kept calm and said, no, this is not my time to talk. When I will talk at the right time. But tonight, I think I'm happy. Yeah. One of your clients is in custody. She just rented her new apartment. You know, see, listen. I'm not a bad boy, man. I'm not a bad boy. I'm not a bad nigga. I'm not a bad boy. See, I'm a good person. I'm a good person. I love Jesus Christ. And she has been spending so much money in the hotel. I said, no. Come on, mama. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. No, you don't have to spend so much money in the hotel room, man. You don't have to spend so much money. You don't have to spend so much money in a hotel room. Come on, I'm going to give you an apartment. I'm going to give you an apartment. Come on. You have exhausted your money. You have exhausted your time, your energy, your wealth. Come on, I'm going to give you an apartment. And she said, okay, come on. I'm going to do your good thing, man. What I do is I do good to you. I'm not a bad boy. I'm not a bad boy as you may think. I'm not a bad nigga. I'm not a bad boy. I just do you a favor. Come on, my sister. Come. I'll have an apartment. I have an apartment free. This free, nigga. Free. I grab this motherfucking opportunity. Free. And I give her apartment. Come on. Where have I gone wrong, man? Where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? I give my nigga, I give my sister, I give my colleague, I give my friend, I give my brother, I give my apartment, man. Where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? Tell me, nigga, where I have gone wrong. I see my sister, she spends so much money in a hotel. She spends so much money in a hotel every night, 40,000, 40,000, 40,000, 50,000, 50,000, 60, 70,000. 1 million naira under 1 week, the money gone like that. Come on, I say, brother, sister, come on. I have an apartment, free. Come on, grab the opportunity. She said, well, that's a good opportunity. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to grab it with full force. I'm going to grab it with my 2 hands. And she grabbed the opportunity. Why all this bullshit, all this bullshit talking about me? Why this bitch talking about me? JPac this, JPac that, JPac told me, JPac told that, JPac told them, this, that. No, I'm not a bad nigga. I'm not a bad boy. I'm just doing a favor. I'm just a favor. She exhausted of money, exhausted from dollar rain. You know, in Ethiopia, in Jamaica. In Jamaica, we call it dollar rain. No, we don't call it money. We don't call it money. In America, we call it the money. No, in the Jamaican lifestyle, we call it dollar rain. How dollar rain exhausted. I say, come on, baby. Come on, my sister. Come on, baby. Here, I'm going to give you a free apartment. And tonight, she's going to be sleeping second time in a free apartment. Oh, what a wonderful God. Respect yourself. Come on. How do you want me to respect myself? I'm a gangster. I do my way. I'm going to do my own lifestyle. I'm a gangster. What? Come on. So close, fuck your bitch in the click a glam. We're sorry when we walk on the click a glam. You claim to be a player, motherfucker. You brought some bad boy, nigga, fuck for life. Plus, what is that? See me with heart the real biggest more to the mafia and more card bitches. We keep becoming what they wanted for the Jews, they can't keep a person like a boss. He know who's lose his culture, homie, where I live in culture, what do the peace. Nobody says, looking the fucking where we just quick sat on the street. So fuck bitch, I like a nigga so it's up for life. So what the west side why the nah. Haha. Bad boy they want to consecrate. Hey. Hey, I wonder how a mama who had big 17 years old keep side of the street. The back in the days I kind of tear how I see my face and that woman alive. You can take my mama place. Somebody gone. So they go home and about the cool when the big boys rocking up the street. So they said, oh my way assistant. What about a lot of kids? Hey, you think your wife put inside your food this night? Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! I wish Facebook gonna leave this life broke out without deletion. Without deletion. You know what I mean? Without deletion. Drop updates. I buy a motherfucking papa. Your papa, mama, nyash. Your papa. Papa, motherfucker. Come on. I'm so happy this night. I'm not here to reply all these bitches, man. Yeah. Yeah, I want to announce to you that I have a very wonderful song for Mazen Nandekano. Yes, JPac featuring Sakadena. I have a very wonderful appreciation song and a word of exaltation, a song that will lift up the mind of good people of Indibo. That song gonna be dropping this month. Yes, the song is done and dusted. I have that song. The song is okay. I did that song for Mazi Namdekano. Osibundo. You go China, you're like this. If you try go America. See, let me tell you, that nigga, that bitch is gonna be here in Nigeria. Me, I will kind of like, I will exchange her to America. Yeah, I'm gonna exchange her to America. Yeah. Yeah, no longer. Yeah, sure. And the correct answer wins at that time. I'm a mama be leave Igbo. Mama be leave ganja. Leave Igbo. Mama be leave ganja. Leave Igbo. Leave ganja. But sister wanna away, leave Igbo. Sister wanna away, leave ganja. Leave Igbo. Leave ganja. Hey, leave Igbo. Leave ganja. Sister wanna away, leave Igbo. Papa wanna away, leave ganja. Hey, I say leave Igbo. Leave ganja. Hey, Papa leave Igbo. Papa baby leave ganja. Leave Igbo. Papa manabe leave ganja. Yeah, leave Igbo. Yeah, leave ganja. Leave Igbo, Papa manabe, leave ganja, sister manabe, leave Igbo, baby, leave ganja, Alabade, leave Igbo, leave ganja, hey. Atoro tapan legi die, otoro babu gidi awakwe. Nazake Chineke bụọ ọnụ atụrụ kakwugharịbana na asị na nwaanyị bụ dike easy mugo. More comment from you now, I report to your page and block you for life. Atụrụ, drop any more useless comment from you. Cause no, what the person name Uwakwe Kogede Nazake fake account. My report on that account. I will see with the update on that account. Anybody somebody's page. Can't forget any useless comment again from you. I'm gonna hear a report for that account. Block okay. Facebook and Sancho are going to go to 7 days without using that account. You see a PMP. Hey! I just wanna wait in vain for your love. Hey! For the very first time, I place my eyes on you, girl. My heart is full of joy. Hey! Joy my life. Chineke akpọrọ ọkụ. Join ya ugbu a. Ugbu a. Yes, so. Ka m kpọbata ndị agha ibe m. Ka anyị jee kenenu. Ka anyị jee kenelu. Ka anyị bụrụ ekene. Kene nwata akwọcha. Ka anyị jee kelenu. Ka anyị jee kelenu. Ka anyị bụrụ ekele. Kene nwata akwọcha. Yes, forgiveness is concerned. I na forgive manam. Imegide ife merue ife ebe anyị si eri nni. We will not forgive. Imegide ife merue ebe anyị si eri nni. I am a forgive you. My sister, what's on happy birthday? What else do you want me to say? My wife is watching me on this live program. On Sunday, oh my God, now. What's going to happy birthday? What do you ask? What else? What else do you want me to do? Now, why be say my this is not allow people again? Yeah, she's cooling herself. Order to go away apartments. Guy at away na to Monday from January to Easter. Obalibe. Kita was go another one, ban another one. One be dobegi, the na. Now I pay 24. DK. Ide banya manyamo. Ige ti banya manyamo. If you want to like Kalabagesi, one day Obiesi Padagike, he get Manyamo, he get Manyamo. Where you the talk JPac told me, one day Ijikwa evidence yo, he get Manyamo, he get Manyamo. You say JPac come along, come, may we test your nyash, he get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. Where you they put allegation on somebody. One day you take evidence yo. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. You call Maryam justice. Call him several names so. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. NGO account. One day AGU wayo. You get Manyamo. We can never hear story. You get Manyamo. You claim to help the charity poor. My brother, yo. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. Mba give the investigation account. Mba money bonye yo. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. You talk say JPac told me. Inside your heart, you know say na lie yo. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. Bia JPac come here and say so. Bia kanyo cha ikegi. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. Okay, I better make arrest. You will zone a waja. Kai ejim your video ta. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. Let me block this idiot. Zubi, Joseph is your name. You get Manyamo. You get Manyamo. I strongly believe and sure that this page belongs to JPac. So, if you want to enjoy my flow, my brother, why don't we Google? If you talk anyhow, my brother, he go chop up blocking. Eje ndị ebe a, nwanne nke a na-atọ gwogwo. Ị ga-etikwa ya mo. Maka na this month of May, the month of eje songa. Ị ga-etikwa ya mo. You get people wey go for nga, they go come out. I don't know. Hey, if you want me to come and prove the nyash, tell me location and time, I will come. Na so una push una kwe mother. Nwanyi vuamu today on a hinanga. Keep on talking that rubbish for your mouth. My brother, very soon he go enter. Hey! JPac told me this and that. One day, JPac concrete evidence. You went and defamed Maryam justice. Today, the same woman don't lock you. When you dey talk cha, you think say some people go defend you for back. All those people wait till you say to ride on. Today, they see you and run. Go and find something doing, idiot. Oyara. No one is above arrest. Guy, God, this one paying you. So I never block this idiot. Come on, get out of my page. I'll say so. Atoro. Suspend you and block you. Mugu. We don't give a shit. Huh? Come back to Niger. Nothing they happen, nothing they pa. Please send me account details if you can. I must send you. Why won't I send you account details? Are they crazy? Huh? But we have money to send account details. Why won't I send it? I wish Namo. To entertain people no easy. To entertain people no easy. Hey! Igeti Banyamaya. I have done that, Jeff Madoka. That nobody go feel talk to you. Anytime you come Niger, if you come Niger, we go secure you. My brother, I say we go secure you. Hey, they do occasion from Kewago. My brother come there, nothing they happen. Why go tell me say make I come back to Niger? Say nothing they happen at all. Okay, so that day they carry army put for body. Say nothing they happen for here. Okay, the same Jeff from Madoka told me now. Say 10 minutes time I go see 100K. Hey! He say make I wait small, make it come. Say, I must chop gari. Okay, they tell me you. Chai. Dichi kawan them. Ige tiba yamo. Ige tiba yamo. Ige tiba yamo. Anyamo. Okay, I can't hear the news to say where you day. I can't notice say you day from Korobi. Ige tiba yamo. Hey, Ayaba. God bless you, Jare. These are my fans. My men them. My mamanchi them. Ah? Oh. Chineke. Yes, oh. Ige tikpanyamanya. Ige tikpanyamanya mo. Governor Ezekwu, they call me for phone. He be like say he want to join my life. Ige tikpanyamanya mo. Iyi anyamanya mo. Governor Ezekwu, I say come here. Chineke bongoku with that network. You get it, guy. Come JPac comedy now. Eh? Chai. Okay, then go. You get it, guy. You get it, guy. What are my brother? Because no verse for this thing. You get it, guy. You get it. See, make I tell you, no be who first find trouble. I said, no be that person they win the case. You get it, you get it, Emmanuel Osopuruchi, you say, JPac, I don't show face, yo. You get it, you get it, same thing that you say today on your birthday. Yes, now, God bless your life. You get it, you first go for where they go to lodge. You dey lodge from one hotel to another. You get it, they boss your camp for where you there. You run kitty enter Abuja. You get it, you get it, you look for place where you go for Abuja. Now inside village, they catch you for there. Hey! You get it, you get it, at least say one if one will get a level. Now inside Kubwa, they get the girl. You get it, hey! 100,000! Ta! Go punish demon. Ta! I go sing for you, Jare. Why would I sing for you? 100K! Ta! Who them be? Man, I give you my number 09024911001. Now this kind of person say I go save your number live. You are my number one fan. I don't save your number. 09024911001. This is 1 year. I never received anything from Facebook. Today, someone surprised me 100,000. Hey! Oh, get it? Who them be? I did. Who them be? I did. Who them be? I did. Chai! Who them be? I did. Who them be? I did. Who them be? 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 Ay! Who them be? Who them be? Ay! Who them be? Who them be? Hey! Maduka! Oh, Ogechi Okeke. That name means reality. Ogechi Okeke. Ogechi Okeke. Who them be ya? Who them be ya? Hey, who them be ya? 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 Hey, who them be ya? What up, Hamuta? Omo, it offer me aso koto tomorrow. It offer me aso koto. Hey, today I go me change you. Come on, my wife, and I can say, bro, up fire, one day I have to say for so. Ta, baby, throw away that soup now. No be say I go call them for. No be say them say I call my wife. You know say if I dey talk, be like say they lie. I go put them for speak out here. Yes. Come mbari efimos, but talk na do. Talk and do Madoka. Say the ring. Wait, make it ring. Madoka, what? Hello, baby. Ofa, I say one day, Bure, get that way in a toilet. Bure, I food. I see you for food tomorrow.
What happened now?
Bro, don't ask me what happened. Don't ask me what happened. Bro, fast, I'm talking to you now. I got food open now. You put the oven, Ijena does. In fact, the bread na sink. We have to bank. Get the fridge bank. Mo fe gusa easily. Mo for gra easily. Don't ask me now. Don't ask me the question. Bread for now. Some of them are born Madoka with 300,000. Say we got for you to figure out now.
Yeah, that's serious.
Which guy be say you are not serious? You want me to send you a lot?
I want to see a lot too.
Want say a lot? As na Madoka say get for you to figure. Egusi ahi si nwanne nya ya na okoro iti na fridge de bulu nke na fridge ma azu a ma anu buru ya fue
I hear you, sir. No wahala.
kasi ozo tomorrow obro ha isie aba see am no see am
Okay, no
no be say
wahala.
the la no be see am
Kedu ya na for airport ndị Ghana?
ama kwa mo baby I don't na life though in if like that obro na na fake life bro fake afuo cover eziokwu is here. Who them be oh hey who them be oh who them be hey who them be. Accept, Jonah. Accept. Jeff, Madukam, na man you be. Na man you be. Ah. Lebrado se la manda bido sheka. Lebrado se la manda bido sheka. Abido sheka. Lebrado se la manda bido sheka. Lebrado se la
JPac.
manda bido sheka. Gandusa. Hey! I'm going to forge one song for your head now. Mama Dezogu. Enye. Hello.
JPac. Nah. Bana, utaka njia bana motoka muta network.
You go bad about the bad. Enter motor.
Ebe no network amandiche. JPac.
I went to go grab an air. And when you can apply him. Hey! Never grow old. Never grow old. In the life that we never grow old. Nah, Mother can join the end of my life, and I'm asking her thank you very much indeed. Thank you, thank you. Huh? I never put an account before for my life. People bless me. I just see them. This is wow. This is wow. I see them play. They show. Oh, when they go, we can go out. as we defend them, it is sweet us, as it is sweet us, somebody defend them, as we defend them, it is sweet us, as it is sweet us, somebody defend them, as we defend them, it is sweet us, as it is sweet us, somebody defend them. Hey!
JPac.
Enye, ele megane.
Ada life.
Ava,
Ada kwa bondo.
o nwere egwu ntọrọ ego n'abalị a na first and foremost mee kelegharịkwa mmadụ ka Jeff aba na-egwu nna egwu aka onye eluo m 100,000 sị m nwere na-eme freestyle you know nwere eme freestyle
Oye nyere gị.
Jeff bụ mmadụ ka na ọ mmadụ ka eji aka ọgụ
Okay.
now Peter White hey onye abụkwa ọga m gosiri m ties Peter Ebede onye isukwu atọ ka ọ bụ onye ụbakala Peter Ebede ma ọga m gosiri m ties mgbe nna m ties 15 years ago ị na-egosi akpọ m na phone ị ma na ebutego m ike na ị na-ewetakwa ịkpọkwa m na phone ị ghọtara nwe gosi wee dịkwa gbarị nga alat hey oh what is the game now come to this life Peter Ebede. Do you know how to join live broadcast? Can you get 20,000 kita for the money now? If you can join live now, if you can request for live, let people see your face. Oh yeah, boy, I'm going to I've been looking for your number since my number is 09024911001. He's the one that taught me how to lay ties. But I don't know his whereabouts now. If you can join my live video, come see on this morning, you get 20,000. Now, instant, no be tomorrow. Because you don't need to be greedy, you don't need to be stingy, you know. Peter, join this live video now.
Just went through my body. Cup be really.
Hey! I can't go ever put in a can't be good. Hey! Nobody's there. Kai, oh no. Please join back again. Peter Ebede, please join live now. Join this live. Send request so that I will see you. Bottom account number Peter Ebede. From this money given to me, I will not chop alone. I'm giving you 20,000 from that money. God bless you, Jeff Madoka. Where did you get your money? UBA Oba. UBA Oba. Can't go to the one Jeff Madoka. Ogaranya maka omowa. Ogaranya maka omowa. Bono ya Jeff Weibo, Bono ya Jeff Madoka o. Ewo Jeff Madoka o. Ewo Jeff Madoka o madesi nengo. Onye chukwunyere ndị Igbo niile o. Boya Jeff Madoka o. Boya Jeff Madoka madesi nengo. Hey! Ogaranya maka omowa. Ogaranya maka omowa. Bono ya Jeff Madoka o. Boya Jeff Madoka o. Tuo ya Jeff Madoka madesi nengo. Onye chukwunyere ndị Igbo niile o. Boya kpata ozu ọra o. Boya kpata ozu ọra madesi nengo. Origiri kene Madoka. Hey! Origiri kene Madoka. Kene Jeff Madoka na Igbo niile no kalisia. Oga ndị ọga. Haba! Oga ndị ọga. Oga ndị ọga. Oga mmadụ ncha. Hey! Ogaraya maga, ogaraya maga, ogaraya maga mowa. Toya je from Madokao, Toya je from Madokao, Toya je from Madoka, Made Sinyango. Haba! Bani moye si yango, Bani moye si yango, Bani moye si yango, no raro. Ha! Onye chukunyere ndi Igbo niile o. Toya je from Madokao, Toya je from Madoka, Made Sinyango. Agaranya maga, agaranya maga, agaranya mago moa. Agaranya maga, agaranya maga, agaranya mago moa. Ewo ozi bondue, ewe ozi bondue, ewe ozi bondo made sinengo. Ha! Screen record on this part too. Already here at timeline, you know. Thank you very much. Love you. Where is Governor Ezioku? Peter, I said, JPac, and they say, and when a human being abo, click here, dear, join, send their request to join me, can make accept. So that if I accept, the people will see the face of my boss, opposite ties. And as well, so many people might be interested to bless you. I've been looking for your number, all the numbers of yours I have, all the switch off. But if you don't mind, you can call me on my phone 090, that's my business line, 090-249-1001. 090-249-1001. I don't help anybody in the page. I do my page promotion. You have business advert. Give me business advertise for you. I do my page promotion. If you give me page promotion, I'm going to 2-3 times. If you don't have view, don't blame me. You enable adverts, business adverts. Even if your business is very little or small, I will advertise it and people will know your business, okay? I don't do page promotion. You can't see that drum. I've helped a lot of people. I matter how warm now. So I don't measure anything page promotion. So that always everybody and mother barrem. Carry always you can't help promoting on social media. Oh yeah, some because of this one time live video. One time live video when I flavor. I go like them. Money repost to every time. Let me continue and sing for my brother. Somebody thought say they mislead the one you amo. But today I can't know say that truth. Ige tibanya manyamo. Ige tibanya manyamo. Slim Tina, waiting be your name. Abi you never tire for the comment. Ige tibanya manyamo. Ige tibanya manyamo. I know say today na your birthday, yes. What you want make I do? Ige tibanya manyamo. Ige tibanya manyamo. As today gonna be your birthday, I already appreciate you for life. Ige tibanya manyamo. Ige tibanya manyamo. When you know fully well my wife is here, as they watch my live video for here, Ige tibanya manyamo. Ige tibanya manyamo. Anything if I try do any transfer for here, if I go up, my wife go change that for me. So Slim Tina, I beg you for life. Make you free me, make I rest. Small time, my wife will see this your comment. She go begin to say me and you the rapport. Because save my marriage for once. I dey beg you with the name of God. Somebody say I cannot talk to Matthias. My brother, Chineke Bogokui. Promise the Paul Cozier. Promise the Paul. As in work as the child, no one night you wear Perazo. This guy name is name na promise. But this way he born, God never promised anything at all. He say your name na Saint Paul Okezie. No one he can joke Perazo. Linda, Obata Obiye, please, what you want make I do? You get Ibaya Mayame, you get Ibaya Mayame. She best TMT say make I give up. Make I drop the latest update you. You get Ibaya Mayamo. Igitibanyamanyamu, the way digital concept. This guy needs them something naka. Igitibanyamanyamu. Igitibanyamanyamu. The way digital concept. One name. I can't make 3D at all. Igitibanyamanyamu. Igitibanyamanyamu. Peter. White na Juma Jojo, are you back from China? One them. You get Ibayama. You get Ibayama. If I say make I ask you this question, this background, it resembles China for your eye. You get Ibayama. You get Ibayama. Perpetual Chukudi. Say make I do. Make I do give away for celebration. You get Ibayama. You get Ibayama. My sister, my brother, go see do give away. But they won't make the money come they big. You get Ibayama. I get Ibayama. I don't go die until you bless me today. Martina, drop your card number here. You get Ibayama. You get Ibayama. No only you be person will celebrate birthday, but your blood is hot for your body. You get Ibayama. Miami. Slim Tina Tia can number here. He get Miami. He get Miami. If I wait you for 5 minutes, you don't put a card number. If I log out, one day you go cry. He get Miami. Hey! I am Miami. I am Miami. I am Miami. Miami. Tina, put your card number for here. I want to bless you for your birthday. You get it by Miami. You get it by Miami. If I wait you for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I don't see your account. If I log out, I don't go open them again. You get it by Miami. Hey, Miami. Promise the Paul okay, see one them. You be brother to Kezi Berazo. You get Miami. Miami. I know say na open you go put. All this online, I don't trust them at all. You get Miami. Miami. Your card number na 99065. Oh, Miami. Miami. How much I go give you your body? How much you want make I give you so that your body go cooler tonight? You get Miami 9065726181. Selemutina, waiting be your Nana, I don't know your original name. You get Miami. You get Miami. So your name na Shoma Medicine here. Obalo nyero hakenaza. You get Miami. You get Miami. Birthday where does they celebrate in peace? It is your turn, use and they do donation. You get Miami. You get Miami. If you like, you take your account balance. I don't put something for your account. You get Miami. You get Miami. I don't talk to me gonna put account number. Now person where they celebrate birthday, they appreciate. You get Miami. You get Miami. No be this small money where they send for my account. Now I won't make I share them at all. You get Miami. You get Miami. Veronica Chipendo say make I talk. Veronica Chipendo they ask me say children never chop since yesterday. Hey! Chideke God. JPac small money where they just gave me for now. All of now don't put account number. Again. Hey. Again. Anyama. Ayama. Okay. I had it. If I come back, I'll read it. Hey! Ikpe ama eziokwu nwanne m o. Ikpe ama ọnwụ. Ikpe ama ọnwụ my brother. Anything I do make you forgive. Ị ga-eji gba ya ma anya me. Ị ga-eji gba ya ma anya me. So many people hate JPac. I dey beg una make una forgive me. Ị ga-eji gba ya ma anya me. Ị ga-eji gba ya ma anya me. JPac is not a bad fellow. Ọkwa n'ego Facebook ka anyị na-achụ e. Ị ga-eji gba ya ma anya me. Ị ga-eji gba ya because my son wey dey for private school na 1.2 million I dey pay for term. Ị ga-eji gbanya anya me. Ị ga-eji gbanya anya me. I dey pay 1.2 million for term. That's why m ji achụ ego achụsi ya ike. Ị ga-eji gbanya anya me. Ị ga-eji gbanya anya me. Mr. Gọvanọ eziokwu nwanne m nwoke. You try to join but everything fell. You get me. You get me. I could remember when Governor would pursue one native doctor for Kija those days, last 2 years. The guy Tiranya me. Oh, Matati Anya me. Or Chugude also Awaba and Miri. Or Turia Wasa de or that go nana. Hey! Anya me. Oh, Matati Anya me. Ken the Palace of Justice. Only Telemania web Bamon and EJ. Oh, it's here Anyama me. Oh, Majalati Anyama me. Promise the Paul okay, Bazo. So, if I had a good chase you, Immajalati Anyanga, Immajalati Anyanga, Mary Tike is washing by the corner. Otter my face, Apom no. He Anyama me. Imagine anya me. Veronica Chukundo Biko leave me for here. I beg, my money for school fees never complete. Imagine Muti anya me. Chai anya me. Don't be last month they call off school. Say may my pikin come back for school. I they find 200,000 to complete my account. Emechara mutie anya me. Say anya me. Some people they call me Oko JPac. I'm on every 3 months. I they pay to 1.2 million for school. Hana mama anya me. Hey, hey go my me. Papi find my good friend. But I go say, hey my son, I keep out Ige be kwa. Ige be kwa. Imechara be kwa. Ige appreciation is application to do more. Nobody 10,000 I said for you, they greet me. Chai, you no go cry anyage. You no go cry anyage. I send you 10,000 for data. You will put on however they can. You no go cry anyage. Yes, now school fees, yes, and so on. The 9 years, you end up 1.2 million. We've been about in school. Oh, don't say school fees, but yes, sir. I want to give him best and quality education. And I found on social media. I cannot post my son on social media. I know the post him. The only time I post my son is his birthday, during his birthday. God bless you. Hey, hey. Alpha. Light today. Okay, I'm coming up. Nah, I don't do bomb fuel. Then I go up. Let me be with my baby. My baby. My baby. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby girl. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby girl. Hey. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby girl. Man baby. Man baby. Man baby girl. Man baby. Carry what I am calling. Yeah, appreciate you, appreciate, 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 appreciate. Yo, appreciate. Today my father is in my house. You know, I work in my very good life. Appreciate. Baby, I'm back. Baby, come now. I'm still alive. Come to Palo. Yeah. Gaa kpuru n'akwa. Nah. Ka ndị kpuru n'akwa. Ọsụ ndị kpuru n'akwa. Ka ndị kpuru n'akwa. Ka ndị kpuru n'akwa. Hey, Jesus. Hey, nah. Ọ na-apụta o. She's coming out. She's coming out. Nwoke kpuru n'akwa bụ nwoke kpuru n'akwa. So thank you very much. So I know when they shout. That's why I didn't say put that they shout. So if I shout now, my father will wake up because my dad got all this in my house. So who be that? Huh? Mm-hmm. Huh? I go now. Yeah. Yes, no. All that's there. Yes, no. Wait. Era, you can make up your money by your baby, where's not today for you who was so? Yes, now. Baby. You know, it's an iPhone. My phone is down. This is your voice now. They mean take it. Where's the head? The head inside room. Not where's the head. I don't see him. The head, they even upload on our channel. They will come and give you your people. Yeah. Come now. Come like this. Yeah, I know you're tired. Cross your hand on my neck. Cross your hand on my neck now. Who's greeting me? And I've given one answer, I don't know me call. Okay. What can I hear?
When you tell me what I
She says much.
You're putting aside my issue.
She's naked, girl.
But yeah, now who wants to see me?
Yeah, baby.
Who wants to see me? Because
Of course, I am not my head, man. It's free.
Could you cherry from?
Yeah, who is the broker?
I don't know. I'm feeling sick, sir.
No. Jesus. One of your body is very hot.
I don't know. Good evening. I said you to Lolo is fine. I'm not feeling fine. What is to call that sickness?
I don't know.
There's one name they used to call it.
Governor, are you jealous of us?
Governor
Most of the governor is watching now.
He's just watching and you're asking me if he's jealous of us. I don't know.
Within himself, inside him. That's JPac, the only one on.
Oh, go para JPac. JPapa.
Says they rub your head from my head.
My ancestor.
Chai.
My ancestor.
Don't worry, right? All your body is very hot, man. How you doing?
I'm very good. Okay, maybe like say na true. As I don't impregnate you now.
How you doing?
I'm on.
How you doing?
I thought I'm gaming.
Kaza. I told you to come back, nothing will happen. Akobo.
God, I'm big. Thank you.
I told you to come back. Nothing will happen.
Yes, it's good sick by God's grace.
I told you to come back.
Please come back, you not dancing, no. Come back,
remember I
not dancing, no. Me calm. My brother. Are you sure it's me? You don't know me, oh.
Vero. Chai.
I better go. Me calm, ke.
You mean that guy?
The quest.
That resume. Don't worry.
I'll do.
I'll do.
You buy stuff for Christmas. So
But I have Christmas now.
You come back, people not dancing, no.
I know you're doing.
And I don't want to do anything.
I'll do with him. He can't do anything. He can't do anything. No, he can't do anything.
Why I talk about him?
I thought all about I'm going to tell you that thing now. I'm going to tell you that.
You know, cause amen.
You bloody. And Imo State here. This
I got my
Governor Kwashe.
I got my book.
Governor, if you're not Governor Kwashe, that's anywhere but says, I got my vocation.
I bet hug your pillow.
I got my vocation.
Now who be doing anything?
Now be there. Anything. I will deal with you. Okay, what can I say? Don't forget. Lasso. After all the kissing on national TV, I hope I could not see him.
Yeah. Or Superman or Spider-Man. Or Superman. Okay, save the channel when I save.
If I can't go
before you go believe waiting person. So before you go believe assurance, then give verify you. Before you believe whatever he say, verify you. The passion in the better back. I hope we book
I know my tomorrow. When he will credit, I will give you back.
Okay.
Veronica Chiku, Veronica Chikwendo.
Okay.
Do it now.
I don't know her now. Maybe she got send that.
Can I have fans now?
Hey, it doesn't. Wait, this is my page.
No, my page, but my fan that.
Ngwano, Auntie Vero, send your account. My husband say make I just bless you this
Veronica,
night.
send your account
Be like
now.
say Holy Spirit don't enter.
Veronica, send your account.
Make you just bless you this night.
Veronica, send your account.
She said I think that now please. But what if you smoke this night? If you are sounding somewhere in the car.
Don't forget.
Even my brother, my sweetheart.
My sweetheart.
I love from this man with all my heart.
It's all.
Oh.
Veronica, ask this your account number. Veronica, your account number before the one in where
I saw plenty people that say congratulations on the post I dropped a few hours ago. Nah, thank you.
Okay, that's the UBA. You know why I like this, my wife, eh? Your generosity and good heart really two more. My wife, you don't see, I'm not mother and I go now.
Shit, what did I just do?
Good.
Oh my god. I think I just.
I editing again. Yeah, editing. I did it with a even the way you do with a blog.
Okay. Don't worry, I forgot me. Oh, mom.
Jenna.
Don't worry, happier like that. Happier like that.
Save it first.
Okay, I forgot my best to say. I forgot my best to say. Don't worry, I want to do like a background song.
Save it before you have
so.
What's the account number?
No, just hold it down now. Go hurry up now. But no, please, female, yes, female wear, support for, support for.
This is my wife too fine.
Female wear, female. You, where is this in kine? I don't understand.
Put it on your face, well, maybe you don't see my own face.
Now your face go this your big head. Your face go this.
Hi.
Hey, Jesus, support. Thank you, Lord. You're welcome, my darling.
UBA Oba. UBA Oba. However, they didn't and no, no mother as Rago Nago mother. For the way they were good one way to a with that, mother. What a wonderful creation from God. Baby, you are such a wonderful, wonderful being.
Okay.
You will be. My wife don't go to give it. It's okay. And it's okay, man. If you see what my wife they send for you now, you don't say woman know their heart at all. Veronica, confirm you are alert.
Maybe I don't go before I go tell me I send another person.
But I know but
Yeah, she will see no. I've sent.
Veronica said.
Don't worry, she will confirm. Veronica, I've sent it to.
God bless you, child. Love one thing.
You're welcome.
Love one thing.
Just just use as weekend.
Tomorrow try and go live on your page. Oh?
Nah,
I'll give them. I'll give you away for them.
Facebook, no, they give me morality. You should go to my TikTok. It's TikTok. I'm active on TikTok. If you should go to my TikTok, please. I'm not. Facebook is not really giving me vibes these days.
That's the wife don't
Until they really give me joy for. Until toxic for this blue app. Now black app now we day now with the catch cruise. Even today is TJS. I think we just finished one life like that. Where they do the main thing. Follow me on TikTok, black app. Facebook not giving me joy again, so I barely come on this.
Amen. Veronica, thank you for your prayers.
Oh, thank you.
Call your TikTok name now.
Oh, my TikTok. Just search Lord of Mr. JPac. You see. It's my name now.
Lifestyle.
No. My search name is Lord of Mr. JPac.
Okay. Your search name
is Lord of Mr. JPac. Yeah, but my username is Lifestyle with Lolo.
Okay. Search name.
Just search. If you just search Lord of Mr. JPac, you see me. So you guys should come over to that side. Let's catch crows. That is where we used to catch our main crows. That place they give us joy. Don't be this blue. This blue updated toxic. Nothing they really. If you check body, Egoro mi abread chere ka ngosi no bread ekotere.
But even why you go away? One man I went on Abuja. Oh no, I went on Abuja. I can't do it on Abuja. A man I went on Abuja. Bungalow. A boy Abu Lagos now walk and I want to guys around. We don't pay for third Abuja and I'm on steady. It's two of us to do equipped to Abuja to be equipped. My number is 090. My business line 090-249-1001.
See, wait.
Okay, sorry.
So,
Tomorrow morning.
Anụrụ the breaking news today. Anụrụ the breaking news today, and as ezigbo nwa afọ mbụ, I'm not adịrọ m wicked.
Lolo Mr. JPac on Facebook, TikTok.
Okay, yeah, Lolo Mr. JPac. Enwere m obi ọcha, enwere m obi ọjọọ. Adịrọ even though mmadụ mee m ihe ọjọọ, ọ ga-enwe ike iwutekwa m, ọ ga-ewute m, but o wutechakwa m gbagharụ gị. I will show you love, you understand? So that was why I had to rush this evening to Boku. If you people in Lagos, in the Lagos, some of them are Boku. Then you fresh bread. Then I went one pack of water, bottled water,
and
in the kitchen. So, and as a good citizen, I do madu only me your job back. I don't do it back. So I had to go and buy hot boku bread. I bought hot boku bread. You get JJ visit tomorrow. First flight I got Abuja.
Yes.
You get JJ visit tomorrow. You understand? Show our sister love. Because I'm not a bad person. I don't have a bad heart. You understand?
Yes.
I'm not, even if you do me something evil, I will still pay you back.
Can I test
with good? No. You cannot test all you do ever even.
Maybe you not say anything there.
No, it's when you reach there now in front of those people, they'll tell you to test it.
Okay,
You will not test it before they not give it to the person, so that you not go and tinye any email.
You are right.
That kind of thing, you understand? So it's not called the number again. Which number is that?
My business line is 090-249-1001. 090-249-1001.
So if you like, go and even they call the number to say you can talk with her. It's business, strictly business. So if you like, call the number and they say you thinking you will reach him and get the waking on red. My hair will red. Red. So if it's not business you're talking, don't even bother yourself to call the number or to text the number. You're wasting your time. Unless it's business. It's business. They are like business. So as I was saying, I said
the way you open your shop.
Nah, hot boku bread. In the Lagos, my boku. Nah, in the Lagos, my boku. Hot boku bread can go take. Ngeje enye 191 echinine na ebe ono.
No.
Ewota. Na no okpuru akọkebe on underground. I will go and give her just to show my concern, my kindness, because I'm not a bad person. I do on bad. Ewota. Inwike mamu ora mpapa ntom kwa nyekwe gị nke ọzọ matọpọ ma ihe Bible kwuru.
Yes now.
So the way she take do me bad, do me
090-249-1001. 1001.
Onye anwetere ya na. No, it's supposed to be 3 zeros.
090-249-1000.
All 3 zeros.
1000, yes. And
you missed it. It's 3 zeros, not 2 zeros. So no, I go give her more. It's okay. I go 191. Although the possible. Igbos, we supposed to be showing love to ourselves. Oh yeah, that's good night. Igbos, we supposed to be showing love to ourselves.
Yes, we love ourselves.
We're supposed to be showing love. You people should not be doing any more those things. If one negi, me go begin your job.
Try and forgive.
Forgiveness is key. Water. Wow, nothing did this life for you perceive is very tiny. Like the world is round, the reverse. All the come way. It's just like there's one. Or young wine. When you can, mom, you also go with my name and put one day na TikTok. I'm fair.
Oh, there's the empire.
Okay,
come on, okay. Sorry.
So as I was saying, so young wine, often one life, one of my friends na that black app water. So I never meditate, one acquisition things, them put there fear. Now I'm one of FOMO, same on the life side over there now. I'm one of FOMO of talking to take you for more, me take the life water, But in my oh no, it's not second na this blue app. After say no game meeting na that other side. I back on the full center of table, copper talk friends and all of that. Water. So this life people they very small like this. Yeah, it's very tiny. There's nothing in this life. The world is just round, tiny small circle like this. You understand? So people should not be taking life too serious. Just like on this blue app now, somebody will just put all these funny something to catch cruise and joke, and then mother will take it to heart and God will punish you, God will kill you. But yeah, mother you just not catch cruise or you take care personal water on top person matter that kind of thing. It's not a good behavior. Don't make sure you're doing that, behavioral this thing like that. It's not good at all. Try and losing all. Life is,
Begin to apologize before
before
wahala
wahala
you
you
never
never
imagine
imagine will
for
before
you.
you. I remember.
Begin to apologize now
I remember.
before wahala you never imagine
Real.
before.
Real.
Osnako for is coming to Abuja with his Abuja contact. Wow.
Wow.
I thought Abuja I gave you bear on the ground.
Oh yeah, na church.
Oh yeah, na
Yeah, you have opportunity.
yeah,
Small
na
tiny
tiny
opportunity. Like
opportunities.
this.
Oh,
Really.
my body is very hot.
I was trying to even post on my TikTok.
Sorry.
I've not posted
On your
post
TikTok.
on
Have you collected the video?
Hey, which one? That one, no, you not give me.
Okay, let me give you now. Since you know why I just na biapalo. Kai. Na why na to Chineke. Woman dey sweet. Guy, if you marry person wey no be your wife, every time you go dey for beer parlour, na me talk am. Baby, you know that time wey Mbanga wey in Abuja, wey we never marry officially. You never Abuja nso mgbe ọbụla mgbede ọbụla njebe na beer parlour. Eh? Every evening, but my wife came into my life. Anything beer parlour. I have saved so much money for alcohol. Baby, you don't be lying now. By this time, I did vintage. More me and you, more Aero Garden. And there's no way why I don't go drink. Another person will do there, I go still buy for her. If my name is it's going to go 10,000 every day. But my wife came, I stopped alcohol. That's one of the things my wife did for me. Is one of the number one thing. And the money I saved there, I will get if you know, they save at least. I don't save go fuel. My wife made a best beef. I'm not going to jacket stop alcohol. No. Nah, my wife too fine. I'm not going to tell my wife, but not I they will listen to it. The way no be. And I do what it is. With this in the banana, and I do what you need. And you know what? I married a beautiful lady and also married a lady that respects me. Kai, do you know that my wife had a storm out on a washing machine? On a swap with a cat for over a year now. I'm able to swap na dry cleaner. My wife Jacka has swap unless on my white on the city or Sarama wherever clean everywhere. Oh my wife, but I enter my wife's life where man had a pedicure and manicure. She will force me, baby. This is weekend, you must go and do your pedicure. I'm a married pedicure before. Why Emako? Emako group. I can call Emako. Emako group. I can tell the Bia Emako, you have opportunity to akwụghị now. Request my account number now. See him 200,000. He will akwụghị for advert. I know what I'm saying. Mako, if outside, no, put on them. You never contact JPac. We rock now. This work I request my account number now. If not for me, for my wife. You got that? Can't quit business. In fact, see you already be as appreciation. I'm a mug online. Now my wife, I better ask them, baby, go and do your pedicure. Now I'm Mr. Pedicure, I'm focus true. I'm not the corner. Hey, I put it to a column before, column the Jiboji. Column the Jiboji before. Why am I mad on why am I one? Why am I be two? Why not like today? Okay, yesterday Thursday. Yesterday Thursday. My wife did it. When every Thursday, my wife had it. When every Thursday. God bless you. Veronica, no boy, oh. God bless you. Remain blessed. When every Thursday, my wife had it. What is here? I am weak in the spirit, but my wife is prayerful. Because they did about call here. That is weak, better now.
Why would you be?
Because I'm a man, I'm a body, I got a ton more than so. Or another, go on it, is it very covered now? Tell me that you're not. So, what shall I see you are watch? If you see my father, I'm photocopy. When I have free, but I get body pass them. Full option. Somebody call you full option. Hey! Jesus.
Good evening. I'm trying to edit now.
Every night, I'm
Oh,
nature beauty. No. Never the last somebody.
this thing I'm telling you now will not work. Let me just go direct. Hey.
Arwala. Why go with the one as they said the Troy apartment, ever before. On a Bangalore, so the house rent is too much. So now we decided to rent another new apartment for her so that going for water. I've forgotten the reason why I'm working at one. Guy, it's why cool down. Number one, what why I'm a good character one. Now we talk atom of beauty matters. Oh, we will tell ourselves the truth. Why what is about why Yakabaho Mezio when you want to a touch of beauty. I saw no 100% a touch. Because you know why you must go outside and look for beautiful woman outside. So I want to character this 70% or 60%. So don't why when a atom of beauty, a touch of beauty, get why. So that in education, like today, I'm Ramon Easter. All the places in Nigeria Easter, my wife follow me. Now me the first time, at times for them to do their own time, tell us to do the lecture. I got a look awesome. All the video in them, my wife the whole camera for me. I'm not looking for anybody to hold camera for me. I'm not to pay anybody. But me guy, I don't know now. Unless my wife or whatever, she the whole camera for me. She the video me. She do everything. And now my video well. I met her till you gonna account. You got my point on boy my wife. Today she's opening a multi-million business office. By the grace of God. A point when I call on say We are JPac, so non upon the year, and then if you say this and that, this and that. I'm everything they put on social media. I met my wife as a graduate. I met my wife as a working class graduate. Now, a very good salary. I was the one that stopped her from receiving salary. I got my wife, you go and I hold no, I will pay you. I want you to venture into business. So my wife Janet was actually as a lady who never reached 30 years, breathe comfortably na mini flats. Dozie na always more so that it does here working. My wife never beat me for one day. I be beat me. My wife never beat me. Remember my wife mother, she no beat me at all. She no even beat me. I come the fear say this one where this fine girl no won't beat me. Am I safe? The very first time I gave her 20,000 naira, she thanked me and thanked me and thanked me and thanked me. Thank me. No, just got 20,000 and that's my wife. Oh yeah, them. And not only one day try my wife instead of people that baby said they go to move 20,000. Oh yes, I yes 20,000. Why no? She said the money. And the one that she said was so other not greedy and other not stingy. That's why if I get money, they give them. These are the qualities of a woman. All the things I see, I say lie, I must marry her. And careful, my wife was not in any relationship. Was what they put interest. Actually, you know my wife. Whom eat your whom work you, disturbance and they deceive us. Negadaya, negadaya, negadaya. I need to praise you.
I'm thinking of captions. I'll post.
Want to post this night? You believe at tomorrow now?
No, not Facebook.
Okay, TikTok. What's the TikTok name?
My TikTok name is Lolo Mr. JPac or Lifestyle with Lolo. Like I basically do lifestyle content. So
Lifestyle with
the lifestyle thing is not really edgy with Facebook vibes, so that's why I decided to just stick with TikTok. So yeah, follow me if you like what I'm posting over there. You can check me out. Don't forget to follow. Please check me out to check
where?
Check out on the
Lolo.
black app. Check out on the black app. You like your friend name about? I don't joke. Yeah. I'll be fine. You like your friend name about? Please follow me or engage with my post. Drop nice
Remember the time
comments.
I say if I want kiss you,
Save to
you still
favorite.
come and see your people.
Posts and all of that. No.
I dey tell you that
Diverse.
if I want kiss you, still, if I'm serious, now I can't see your people. I say, hey, Chineke. But I
And I don't know the right thing.
see that kiss now, they chop like this.
I'll
See that, see. See that, and they chop kiss like food. But you are beautiful, I swear.
Thank you.
Look at that.
See, my nails are falling finished.
Make it fall.
Babe, I want a spa.
Look at the
I want
laughs.
leave my lap.
Look at the laughs.
Leave
Jesus.
my lap.
No
I want a
stress mark.
spa. I want a spa. No, I have stretch marks. Please. I have stretch marks. It's only
Nah,
natural, but it's
that's
healing.
yeah, small something.
And it's because I'm losing weight and gaining back. So
These are
that's
small
why. But
something.
that's by the way. Why
Oh yeah, so my pillow go see shake it
why are you
tonight.
displaying me this night?
Also
I don't
my
get.
pillow go see shake it tonight.
Guys, give me caption suggestions. So
Then they give caption. They know what they post.
yeah, I want to tell them what I'm trying to post. I'm trying to post a travel vlog with my baby
From
boy.
Egypt.
No, not Egypt.
I went to Egypt.
Yeah, just the travel vlog. Don't worry about the place, Sha. But it's one of our travel vlogs. I want to post a travel vlog and we'll give a nice caption. I would have easily gone to ChatGPT, but I just feel like I should ask you guys first. So I don't know if you have a nice caption for me, just something short and minimal. Just basically
I can't
travel.
say JPac come the carry life and carry love enter live video. Yeah, whatever.
Just basically travel vlog. Like, okay, let me see if I'll show them. Should I show them the video?
You just saying it to go give your wife belly. I know, Papa, I'm
It's
block
just,
one.
it's not your fault, oh. That person that said that to you, it's not your fault, oh. Don't worry. You go marry. Your wife go born.
We go shock you.
You go train the pikin. Don't worry. Come and they come. That way talk go hit you hard.
Bounce you
You
back.
no go even feel yourself again. Trust me.
The laughs.
So as I was
Carry your
saying,
leg.
it's a travel vlog. Oh, this thing is really nice.
Carry your leg up.
What happened? Let's carry my leg up.
This light will deceive person. Make I on better light.
Babe, leave me. I beg do your life. Leave me. Make I rest. Let me rest. You. So what I was trying to, one of my very adventurous colleagues.
Yes.
Need a car.
Go. No. They laugh somebody. No cream. No cream. No. Again.
So you guys, this is my page on the Black
app. Chop something.
Yeah, that's my page on the Black app. So you can check me out.
Wait,
you can check me out.
I'm on your Thursday.
That's my profile on the Black
Lord,
app.
Mr. JPac.
Yeah.
TikTok.
So please check me out and help me to engage. No. Help me to engage on my post. I drop really nice content there. So please help me to check it out. Thank you.
Hey, Jesus.
Baby.
Bring your leg. The goodie. Ta! Who them be?
Leave me.
Who them be? Then. I want to see what that is. Do you see anything black? No.
I beg.
If you're not,
show them my nails. It's dirty. My nails are dirty.
If you're not about a matter of wine.
I need to visit this person. See. My nails are dirty and bad.
She has a man doing his wife.
I need to. How dirty my nails are.
This you are doing it.
Oh.
Ow.
You know, video. I even make a video of my face. Where I'm mourning.
Ow.
But that one even alpha, that place go on the rust. Anyway, never too tey where them carry am sha. So and before that, that person go on the run am now.
Run the cocoa.
So, okay, guys.
Hey, Jesus. They say no can leave this and go China. Are they crazy?
Zukwanike, this man. When you the video, we no. Zukwanike. Yes, so we have cross. So we even have cross. It's hanging over there. We have cross. I have a small altar. In my room. So yeah, I've showed them now. It's on top. We have cross. Are we not supposed to have cross? See, we have a cross there. And we have another cross. Yes, so
I'm a chair.
my own ego onye auntie you na akọ na Facebook. Give me auntie now. Na makwana na ọkọ na ekpekpe. Ọkọ no maru chuko. Ana why no na media. Ana why no na media. Ona na ekwata. Oh, you turn the camera. Baby, I'm looking for. Wait, let me just use ChatGPT because.
Want to do what?
Nah. See, I'm looking like a Chris person. How many weeks is this year? Baby, this is my count.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I will touch your own. Leave me.
I don't touch my own. Wait, let me do what you want to drink.
So, see water now. You brought
Will you
water.
drink?
Am I the one that brought it, or is it?
Yes,
that
but will you drink?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
When did you buy this bread? This evening?
So, I told you I bought bread.
Boko.
No. So, barago ara. Pero barago ara. Now my brother, I'm out of the there. Ogonye. No gonye. Ogenye. Ogenyuma. You know na so. Nah, you know na so na this app sometimes like. When I'm coming see, I don't really understand. If you don't know how to type, if you don't know how to type your mother tongue, if you don't know how to type your mother tongue, I beg just write English for us. Ọbụkwa na English ekwe ọ ga-asị m na well broken there the ten. Amara m nke bụ ibi ebe ị na-edekasị ihe nna ma amam ihe bụ ogenye ụmụazị aghọtara m ihe I think so. Zuzuwe nke a ka anyị na-aghọta ide nke mmadụ na-aghọta chide zuzuwe nke nwakwa zuzuwekwa ebe ahụ ị nọ ọ bụghị ị na-asị ogenye ụmụazị amadị m ihe ọchị eso nke a gbasara ya efosi gbasara nke ọzọ sị na ọ pụrụ ya wọrịa gbarago ara zuzuwe ama m na ọ gbara gị ara ka ọ chọrọ ikwu ọ sị na ọ gbarago ara ọ bụrụ cruise or maybe all type or maybe no marry oh baby now no do that you know sabi read your language they play me we get A1 for my Igbo in WAEC. I even write Igbo. I wish I get my result even there. I write Igbo for JAMB. I get that. I pass some as in my pass mark. They play. Zuzuwe.
Can go say like this. Don't do the camera. Go say like this.
Wait now. No more. There's way. Open it. You will. You're this thing. Well, we open it. So you
know the threatening news.
Madam JPac. Oh yeah, bo Madam JPac. Baby, see me. There's Madam JPac.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. This one where you carry your phone. My hobby don't teach me how to lie. See, you people don't know me. It's good that you people don't know me. I like the fact that most of you don't. For all of you, A to Z, I don't know me. Just like as I maintain low key. I not to sabi me way. But don't worry, one day, not just one day, not to sabi me. It is my husband teach me how to lie. They play. I pity you. Join the mom where. Very ticket. Well done, my dear. Good evening, though. Good evening to you too. Good evening. Hope you're good. Lolo, Ezine, I've been seeing your. Lolo, Ezine, I've been seeing your this thing that she's watching. It has been popping up. I don't even know. Maybe there's a way they used to like this Facebook thing. Like if somebody is doing live, this your nose that affects your mouth. I say, my dear, it is well, it is well with me and my nose. My precious nose. Chai! Ijoa. Don't worry, the nose goes soon align very soon. In few months time, it will align. Just let me a small time, cherry time. It will align. My darling wife, thank you very much, Franca Ibagui. Thank you. One day, Gineme, ị ga-akụnwa JPac ọkpọ. Ị ga-akụnwu JPac ọkpọ. Well, I do even that. Baby, carry your phone. This is about giving me extra headache. I'm having headache already. They're giving me extra headache. can cover by this thing before they go screenshot.
Kai, na the very human being, no, snake. Na the human being, no, because.
Travel Vagio. Ori biri. Ori biri.
Kenata weze no bata weze no bo. Hey, maybe that's more than the that's someone is like I play a song for them before they go sleep. I'm gonna leave it at tomorrow. Age melody in Jesus' name.
Amen.
JPac done this fresh.
TGIF. That's the way you go collect for a side chick. Go collect her for your wife.
Yes, sir.
If you want me on side chick, wear bone shorts for you. Buy bone shorts
Let's
for
see
your
bone
wife.
shots. Let's see now. Let's see bone shots. Let's see. My wife don't feel mad about the name. I'll try him over the moon and I
don't even get her.
She don't get a pad. The
other day, baby, mama and mommy na same.
Don't try him.
I go they beg my mama. I go my house. I go they beg mama. Say, please give me a rapper. Make her inside for us. She come they ask me say, say you no get rapper.
First, that talk about that.
She come say you no get rapper. I say I no get to single rapper. I no get. I think it's only one old Ndine.
Anytime I see rapper for my wife waist.
But baby, I need to start buying rapper.
I don't need that.
I need rapper.
Now when you born, I go.
Rappers and boo-boos. I want to be using it to be doing this.
Don't
worry, only engagement to know.
You need to run rapper. If you need them, if you born shorter. So that the chair, yes, or the bank, or the
this Chukwu, be like say the only word where is Sabina this Zuzu.
Maybe I have the rock cruise now.
Now I'm not cruise now. I'm not cruise now, but he don't to type am.
They did a lot. Piawa Mataya so this.
This Mataya.
I don't know what you want to do.
Hakuaria.
Let me explain now. Origiridi. Oh, I say, JPac, your wife, no one kisses your mouth, the smell. Example, sparkling. Example, sparkling. I won't talk. I want a mouthwash. Everybody want a mouthwash that says it. I sign all the time. I sign about it. Father, or every yeah. It doesn't my wife was sparkling. Neat. Me, I did my wife for food day. A man and wine and I did spotless. Yes, it's my wife. We're my true. Now wine and I did spotless. Me, was spotless, odorless, clean, purified. Okay. If the wine did clean and purity, purified, spotless. The manifestation came in. One dog I be top God forbid. With my wife. Also, for that 3 days, I will all this clean, now spotless, odorless. Oh, when I told him, oh, what? I told me, what they went, I come back and I say, I didn't go in me, I didn't go in me, I didn't go in me, where do I go in me, where do I go? Chineke nna anyị ekele imere nke ọma eze n'igwe nara ekele Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, my wife man, I'm putting it in why I know abomination. So they get born shots. But I don't even easy. Rajmoy.
Who keep a breast for you? Who quarant the
Rajmoy.
wilderness?
It's better you go and marry.
See, they say if a pros can attend to 20 men daily, then you as a wife have no reason not to satisfy your single husband.
Single husband.
Do they know the work wey wife dey do? That person wey dey attend to 20 people, e dey do work. Maybe she go and she go sleep. But no, your wife fat o.
See, I go 3 days. I will.
See ya no go do 3 days awolo. I don't understand that she stay 3 days without bath.
No, what does she mean now? There was a time I was saying that my wife is popular. Even if she stay 2 days without bath, she said she go smell. That's the same. Say my wife fat. Say she's scared.
No, you say no say. Everybody dey with sick.
Oh, but I have now what 3 times a day. I'm because
No, I no fit o.
come on, Maryam, I don't know. I can't be worried about water.
It's good to be accepted. You're a fulfilled man now. So my brother, Bio. The rejected stone shall later become.
Yeah, me that go and marry.
Abroad didn't can you. What the only you driver, only my mind. He said it is good to be accepted.
Sure.
Because I'm not rejected stone, we turn to cornerstone. Now I accept. Because they've been rejected now. What I go because my go do it first. Oh, una goodness, una do off it. Off that.
I want to offer.
Chineke na. Okay.
Nah, because I want offer my bed. I buy them on a bed, the original one. The roof is fine. The was it percent time. The roof is fine.
What can I help you with? Baby, please be quiet for 1 minute, okay?
I should do what?
I want to say something.
Hi,
ChatGPT. So please, I need a caption.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you for watching.